Hello everyone, I am Harshad Vaswaya. I am student of Masters in Construction Engineering and Management. As a part of our construction project formulation and appraisal studio, feasibility study of biomethanation plant is being undertaken. Now coming to the project brief of biomethanation plant. The client is municipal corporation and the capacity of plant is 500 tons per day. The total cost of the plant is 150 crores. The completion period is 18 months and the area requirement of biomethanation plant is 17 acres. And the contract is PPP contract. The objective of a biomethanation plant is to improve public health and environment quality, to generate income for municipal corporation and to improve waste treatment facility. Now understand the process of biomethanation. So bio-CNG and biomethanation is same. So bio-CNG is produced with the help of anaerobic digestion of biomass including cow dung, poultry waste, organic municipal waste. The biomass is used to produce biogas through the process of anaerobic digestion. The biogas is then upgraded to remove the impurities like carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide and moistures. After the upgradation of the biogas, it is compressed as compressed biogas, which is also known as bio-CNG and which has methane content more than 90% with calorific value and other properties like natural gas and hence can be utilized as green renewable fuel for industrial, commercial, domestic and automotive application. And the scope of work includes the design, build, finance, own and operate of 500 TPD capacity of biomethanation plant for treatment of solid waste supplied by municipal corporation up to plant location on PPP model. Now coming to the demand analysis. Based on the existing statistical data, the survey future demand is forecasted which is required for the design of a biomethanation plant. Now the government policies, transportation fuel demand, population, waste generation, pollution and economic growth are the demand drivers. Now the population growth graph shows the population growth from 1991 to 2051. So in this graph 2021 data will be taken from the census department and 2031 to 2051 data will be forecasted using different three methods such as arithmetic increase method, geometric increase method and incremental increase method. The second graph is shows the CNG vehicle growth in Gujarat from 2015 to 2014 till 2020 data will be taken from Ministry of Road and Transport and 2025 to 2040 data will be forecasted. Now we conducted a survey in city to collect information on the uses of different fuel types in residents' vehicle. The survey results are presented in below pie chart. Out of this survey result, total 27 vehicles are CNG and 15 vehicles are petrol vehicle, 16 vehicles are diesel and 5 vehicles are electrical. We get total 63 results from this survey. Now we run a regression analysis and then we do a gap analysis. From the regression and gap analysis, the project is considered as a feasible as indicated by the p-value of 1.2% which is below 5%. Our research established a connection between waste generation and population through regression analysis revealing that population growth is a significant impact on waste generation. Now it is anticipated that by the year 2041 the daily waste production will reach 7,951 tons. So after the 2041 the need for a second or other waste treatment facility infrastructure required for the effective solid waste management and the preservation of the city's environment. Now after the demand analysis we consider the demand and after that the location analysis was conducted for deciding ideal location for biomethanation plant using macro and micro analysis. So in macro analysis, we consider two cities, which is Surat and Ahmedabad. And Ahmedabad received the highest score because of its waste generation. Ahmedabad generate of 4,500 tons per day waste. So we considered Ahmedabad, and now we consider three locations in Ahmedabad in micro analysis. So in micro parameters, we considered such as accessibility by road, availability of feedstock, distance from resident, availability of land, traffic congestion, and future expansion. So we considered three locations in Ahmedabad, which is shown in the map, and from the given rating of these parameters in these three locations, the project required 18 acres of land, and it's being 500 meters away from the residents as per CPHEO manual. So location 1 is the best fit for our biomethanation plant due to its enough land, and the location 3 is lacks of space, and location 2 requires tree removal which cause EIA clearance delays. So we consider location 1 as our biomethanation plant construction. So after the location analysis, the stakeholder management is considered. The stakeholders refers to individuals, groups, or organizations who have the potential to influence or be influenced by the decisions or results of a project. So first we identify the stakeholders, and then we give the power, interest, influence, and impact matrix. So we identify 50 stakeholders into 8 groups such as client, central level authorities, contractor, state level authority, local, consultant, vendors, and others. So first is the power interest matrix. Power interest matrix shows the which stakeholder has high or low power, or which stakeholder has high or low interest in our project. So in our project, the municipal corporation and developer is the highest power and the highest interest in our project, and a civil contractor and project management consultancy is moderate power but high interest in our project. And second matrix is power influence. The power influence matrix shows the active involvement of the stakeholders in our project. So same as power interest matrix, municipal corporation and PPP developer is the highest power and highest influence in our project. And the last matrix is influence impact matrix. Influence impact matrix shows their ability to change any decisions in our project. So municipal corporation and PPP developer and political leaders actively oversees the project, and they has the rights to change any decisions. And the CPCB, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, design consultant, and Ministry of New and Renewable Energy ensure the project satisfaction. So design brief. In design brief topic, the objective of design brief is, as a client, you need to provide the design plan capacity, the client's requirement, and all minimum specifications. So our plant capacity is 500 tons per day, and we required land of 17 acres. So firstly, we consider the major components of our plant. So major components of our plant is digester, upgradation technology of upgrade biogas to bio-CNG, and then double membrane storage to store a raw biogas. So double membrane gas holder, we required 100 meter cube capacity, and upgradation technology should have minimum of 1500 meter cube per hour capacity to treat raw biogas to the bio-CNG. And the digester, the capacity of 3000 cubic meter, and we required 4 digester of 3000 cubic meter. So In figure, the plant layout is mentioned. The second number is the digester, which already the fiberglass reinforced polymer digester is the best digester for anaerobic digestion process. And the 9 number is shows the double membrane storage. And the 10th number is shows the upgradation technology. So based on our research, the pressure swing technology is the best fit for our plant, which is, and the upgradation technology must recover methane content from 95 to 99%. So PPP developer should choose pressure swing technology for upgradation of raw biogas to bio-CNG due to its efficiency. Now coming to the conclusion, from the demand analysis, we know the after the 2041, the another waste treatment facility is been needed. So demand analysis is used to understand the existing infrastructure facility and forecast the future demand for this region. And the location analysis for biomethanation plant done using macro and micro analysis. From this macro and micro analysis, location 1 is the best location, which located at Pirana, Ahmedabad. And from the stakeholder management, each stakeholders is given importance based on their power, interest, influence, and impact matrix. From the design brief, a design is a document generated by the client that outlines the project's essential requirement and specifications. So in our plant project, the PPP developer should choose the pressure swing absorption technology for upgradation of raw biogas to bio-CNG due to its efficiency. Thank you guys. This is our project of biomethanation plant.